Want to know how to sign out or log out of Agoda? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your agoda.com website or your application. So we have also created a video on how to sign in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done that, once you have signed in and all of that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile. Just simply select it to open it up. So here you should be seeing my account, where you can see various options like trips and much more. Now in order to sign out, here right below profile you should be seeing this sign out option right here. So you can just simply click it once and you should be automatically signed out of Agoda. And that's it, super simple and easy. A click of a button and you are signed out totally. Now in order to sign in, you can just simply select this sign in option as well, and after a few clicks you can sign in again. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.